Hey everyone, are you thinking about refinancing your mortgage? When interest rates drop, a lot of people wonder if they should refinance, and today we'll help you figure out if you should refinance now or just wait.
We'll talk about why people refinance, how often you can refinance, and more. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for helpful home loan tips. Now, let's get started.
What does it mean to refinance? Refinancing your mortgage means replacing your current home loan with a new one. You might refinance to get a lower interest rate, pay off other debts, or simply stop paying mortgage insurance. There's a lot of reasons people refinance, but the important thing is to know whether it's the right time for you.
Should I refinance when the interest rates drop? When the interest rates go down, people often think, should I refinance? The answer isn't always simple. It depends on your personal situation and what you're trying to achieve. If your main goal is to lower the interest rate, you should look for a rate drop of about 0.5% or more. This is usually enough to make a difference in your monthly payments, but it's always best to talk to your lender who can run some numbers and help you figure it out if it's worth it. If you're not paying mortgage insurance or don't need a cash out, lowering your interest rate might be the main reason to refinance. In that case, 0.5% drop could be enough to make it a good move.
What are the costs of refinancing? Refinancing isn't free, so you'll want to think about the costs. Some factors that can affect the cost of your refinance include credit score. Your credit score impacts the interest rate you'll get and the costs you'll pay. Closing costs. Just like when you first bought your home, there are fees involved in refinancing. Discount points. These are fees you can pay upfront to get a lower interest rate, and it's important to know if it's worth paying these points to lower your rate.
A good lender will be transparent about the cost and help you understand what's driving the new loan amount. This way, you'll know whether refinancing makes financial sense for you. Here are some other reasons you might want to refinance. Number 1, eliminate your mortgage insurance. If you bought a home with a low down payment, you're probably paying a mortgage insurance every month. If your home value has increased, refinancing could allow you to drop the mortgage insurance, which can save you money every month.
2. Use home equity. Many homes have gained a lot of equity or value in the recent years, and some people refinance to take cash out from their home's equity. This can help pay off other debts like student loans or credit card debt and improve their monthly cash flow. 3rd, divorce. If you're going through a divorce, refinancing can help one person keep the home while buying out the other. Sometimes refinancing in this case is more about following a court order rather than getting a better interest rate.
Talk to an experienced lender. When it comes to deciding whether to refinance, it's important to talk to an experienced lender. We will ask you the right questions to listen to your goals and help you figure out whether refinancing is the best option for you. Sometimes it might make sense to refinance and other times it might not.
How often can you refinance? There is no strict rule about how often you can refinance, but you do want to be very careful about doing it too often because each time you refinance, you'll have to pay what's called closing costs. So you'll want to make sure it's worth it.
If you refinanced a year and a half ago and rates have dropped again, it might be a good time for you to look at refinancing. But it's always best to run the numbers and make sure that it makes financial sense for you. If you refinance just like 6 months ago, you can still refinance again, but be sure the benefits outweigh the costs.
Here's our number 1 tip. Don't just focus on the interest rate. Refinancing is more than just thinking about getting a lower interest rate. It's important to think about your goals and your financial situation, and an experienced lender can help you put together a refinancing strategy that makes sense for you.
Wrapping it up, so when should you refinance? The answer is it depends. It's not just about the interest rate, it's about your goals. Whether you're lowering your payments, getting rid of your mortgage insurance, or paying off other debts.
Talk to a lender who can help you decide if now is the right time to refinance. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more home loan tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.